Most retail investors are losing the game of building wealth because they are using completely outdated strategies. They either blindly buy generic index funds and settle for average returns, or they buy into overvalued tech hypes at the absolute top, only to watch their portfolio bleed out when the trend reverses. But the most elite algorithmic traders on Wall Street don't guess, and they don't hope. They use a cold, calculated strategy called weaponized momentum, a system that automatically identifies the fastest growing, highest velocity stocks in the world, rides them for maximum profit, and systematically dumps them right before they crash. Today, we're breaking down SPMO, the Invesco momentum powerhouse that is quietly outperforming the standard S&P 500 by a staggering margin. Part 1. What is SPMO? SPMO stands for the Invesco S&P 500 Momentum ETF. It is an index-based fund, but it operates with a highly aggressive, rules-based twist. Instead of tracking the entire market or weighting companies solely by size, SPMO utilizes a quantitative filter to measure price momentum. The fund calculates the price velocity of S&P 500 companies over the past 6 and 12 months, factor adjusts for volatility, and builds a hyper-focused portfolio of the top 100 stocks with the strongest upward trajectory. It's designed to automatically buy strength and discard weakness. Part 2. Key characteristics. SPMO is an absolute favorite for growth portfolios because it comes with a rock-bottom expense ratio of just 0.13%. This makes it incredibly efficient to hold over the long term. Managed by Invesco, the fund manages roughly $18.3 billion in assets and features exceptional liquidity. It pays out a minor quarterly distribution with a yield hovering around the 1% mark. But make no mistake, this is a pure growth play. The standout feature is its semi-annual rebalancing, meaning every 6 months, the algorithm resets, ruthlessly cutting underperforming sectors and doubling down on what is working right now. Part 3. Top holdings. Because SPMO filters the market purely by speed and price strength, its portfolio reflects the exact engines driving the current global economy. Right now, its top holdings are dominated by the mega-cap tech and AI infrastructure expansion. You'll find companies like Nvidia, Micron, Alphabet, AMD, and Broadcom. But because the algorithm adapts, it isn't strictly locked into tech. If energy, healthcare, or financials start experiencing massive, sustained upward trends, the system will automatically rotate capital directly into those sectors, giving you a dynamic portfolio of Wall Street's heaviest hitters. Part 4. Performance. This is where the math proves that SPMO operates on a completely different level. While the standard S&P 500 gives you solid returns, SPMO is built to absolutely crush it during market expansions. Look at the numbers. Over the past year alone, SPMO delivered a staggering 42% total return, and it has averaged 18.59% a year since its inception. By automatically holding only the fastest-moving stocks, it creates a massive compounding effect. But remember the catch. Because it's hyper-focused on what's running hot right now, it can drop faster than a normal index if the market suddenly switches directions. Part 5. Why invest in SPMO? Smart investors are integrating SPMO into their wealth rotation for several reasons. First, systematic edge. You aren't paying an active hedge fund manager to guess. You are relying on a proven, math-based algorithm to pick the fastest-growing stocks on Earth. Second, sector rotation. When market trends shift, the fund shifts for you. It automatically cuts out dying industries and rotates into the new bull markets. Third, cost efficiency. You are getting a hyper-aggressive, high-performance strategy for a low cost. It's the ultimate choice for the growth-focused investor who wants to ride the strongest waves of the stock market without having to manually day trade individual tickers. Part 6. Real-world example. If you consistently invest $100 every week into SPMO over the next 30 years, and it maintains that incredible 18.59% average return, your portfolio could grow to over $4.2 million. If this video helped you understand SPMO, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple ETF breakdowns.